say that. I literally thought this would have been a 2-minute job. Oh my god. I can't pull it down. Oh my god, I want to cry. Do you know when you get to that panic cry? That's where I'm at. You might not see any hair cutting today. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Karen and this channel is all about hair dye videos, clothing hauls, product reviews. So if that's the kind of thing that you're interested, stick around. Today, it's going to be the long awaited for haircut video. Now don't get excited. We're not going like inches here. We're going like, let's get the dead ends off. But before we go any further, I just wanted to update you on my manic panic situation. So we're on to about the 4th or 5th wash. You can see my grey is more noticeable now, but the colour's managed to stay. I mean, like on the ends here, it hasn't kept so well, but the main body of it is all right. You know, I'm quite happy with it. So I'm apparently late to the party of cutting my own hair, and I don't want to cut my own hair because I want to get on the bandwagon of cutting your hair in quarantine or what have you. I just want to have a go because I want to have a go. I don't want to cut my own hair because the hairdressers have been closed for that long and I haven't been able to get an appointment. I've never had my hair cut since, well, it must be about, I would go so far, I think I might have had my hair cut in about October, or it could be longer than that actually. So it's probably about 8 months to a year that I haven't had my hair cut, so my ends are pretty dead. So today what I want to do is I want to cut about maybe it's an inch off. I'm going to show you the back to compare when I've cut it. So, and I'm just going to show you like a close-up of the raggy ends. I mean, you can see it's not in the best condition on the ends. It does need a damn good cut. The grey looks worse in this light, to be honest. Hey. I'm going to be following the Brad Mondo how to cut your own hair, and I'll leave the link to his video down below in the description box. But it's to basically, you put your hair into 4 sections or more if it's thicker. I don't know if I should maybe, no, I think I'm going to do the front bit in 1 section because if I split it here, right, this is the bit that I'm worried about. So if I cut this bit to make it fresh and say cut an inch off, so if I cut the front bit off to here, it's quite a bit longer than the back. That doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. So this bit's longer, so I really only want to cut in maybe an inch, whatever that is. Is that an inch? About that much. Maybe it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, maybe I have to go a little bit smaller so that I don't cut too much off here. I don't want to end up with this bit being, I'm just waffling that. You know what I mean. I'm going to section this bit in front. Now, so you've got to pull it straight down. I've got these little rubber bands. This is either going to be really great or it's going to go horribly wrong. So I'm going to put the elastic band in the bottom. Can't even do that properly. Can't even put the elastic. What's wrong with this? So the title of this will either be I cut my own hair or hair cutting gone wrong. Right, so that's what I want to do, and then I'm going to do the same at the back. So I'm going to split into 2 at the back, and then I'm going to, you've got to keep it taut and pull it down. I'm not too sure if I'm pulling it to the front, to be honest. I think I might be pulling it to the front. Now I want it taut, straight down. Actually, I might put the bobble up high and then pull it down. We're all good? I think we're good. And I'll do the same on the other side. Just got that one in there. This is obviously going to be coming out because it's shorter. I'm going to put this bit in again. Right, and then the last one. Can't pull that. Got my hair stuck out. Right, that's better. Oh, that doesn't look right. Does that look right? Oh, why is it like that at the back? Why is it like that? Well, I don't think that worked. It's supposed to just... I don't think that's right. It looks alright at the front. But at the back it seems to be like flicking out like that, but I can't really see properly. Why are they different lengths? Why is that there, the end there and the end of that? Oh, because I've got some of the back. I must have some of the back in that. Oh, why have I not got none of the back in that one? It was going so well. I'm taking that back. I'm taking that back out. I'm taking that back out. I'm taking it back out. It's not working. I'm happy with this one. Let's have a look. And I'm going to make sure I've got some of the back section for a guide. Kind of. Well, this could be the shortest video ever. This could be, I tried to cut my hair in quarantine and then give up because I couldn't even tie it in equal parts. They look different lengths, but I'm going with the fact that this is my bigger part inside, so there'll be more hair on that side. I think that's okay. It's coming out here, but I think that's because it's... No, I'm gonna do these ones again. I'm gonna do this one again. Do I think that's level? It's hard to tell, isn't it? Because you can't glue it back on again if it's wrong. I think I'm going to give up. Well, I think I might just have a go with the scissors myself. I'm just going to eyeball it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to eyeball it. Just pull it. Pull it. I'm just pulling it where I want it. Let's just pretend it's got a bobble in it. We'll pretend. Oh, I haven't got my glasses on. I can't see that close up. Right, I've had to put my hand on this sort to get my glasses so I can bloody see. Right, we're not cutting that much. Let's just cut that much. Oh my god, I've cut it. It's too late now. I don't know how much I cut off though. Oh well. Doesn't look good. Feels better. Doesn't look so great. We'll try the other side. It's going to be all wonky donkey here, like. We're just eyeballing. You know when I said I wanted to have a go at cutting my hair? Somebody remind us never to do that again. Not bad. Just gonna grab the rest. I'm just trying to take it straight down. Let's have a look at that. We'll see what it looks like at the back. I don't think that's too bad. I'm going to ask Luke to have a look. Any bits that are a lot longer, or does it look wonky? Does it look level?
Are you cutting your own hair?
I've cut it. I've already cut an inch off.
What, do you mean like down here?
Oh, I've cut this bit. So can you just brush it with a comb? Does it look level?
Like perfectly level?
Does it look straight like that?
There's a bit like on here which... yeah.
Luke to the rescue. So he's cut it in a straight line. I hope. We're hoping he has. Then before I put a hole in my jumper. I think I'm just gonna try and use these. We're gonna do the let's rip your hair out your head method, because that's what it felt like. I don't know what to do with this bit here. That looks alright actually. I think I'll just leave it, otherwise I'm going to cause some damage. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to chop the ends. I just want it a bit healthier on the ends. So that is the end. I mean, to use, it probably looks as though like nothing's happened, but to me it's definitely a lot healthier. And I have cut about an inch off it, even though it doesn't look like much, but it is a lot healthier on the ends. That's much better than what was. It was all like dry and horrible. I'll just show you the back. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this how to cut your hair at home. It's been great. I've loved every minute of it. And if you want to follow my tutorial, bollocks. So anyway, like I say, it doesn't look as though much has come off, but it's definitely in a lot better condition. I feel much better since the ends have come off, because I want to bleach my hair. I didn't want to have loads of dry end, so we'll see how it goes. So I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to smash the like button, and if these videos are something that you would like to see in the future, don't forget to press subscribe. And also don't forget, I've got Instagram and I've also got TikTok. I know, 47 and I've got TikTok. But anyway, I don't know what I'll be doing on the next video, but I hope to catch you soon. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.